here, young boy. Oh, Buckler. Yo, hug me, baby.
You were going on Guyana. Telling already yesterday, so wait. You know I gotta get the there.
So first off, Vybz Kartel in Guyana? Yes, people, the world boss is making moves. Footage shows Madsis, Sean Storm, and Mooney all arriving for the Moderation concert this weekend. There's even a clip of Kartel saying, "I'm in Guyana. Where are you?" And the crowd, fully locked in.
Yeah, it's a lifestyle moment where they drink some boardwalker. Big up Siva. Yeah, man. Coconut water and I wash off him out. And I would that match sauce. One match. Alright. Match sauce.
No, a one.
World boss.
World boss.
World boss.
Yeah.
That's a good man. And I would this one more.
Boss?
Hey, who name my brother? You look from a side. Hug here, young boy. Oh, Buckler. Yo, hug me, baby. Watch it down.
Watch it down.
Young boy.
Fully active. One
world pass. One team out. Let me tell you something. You see Guyana, the ladies. I love the ladies more than Princess Diana. When you're in Guyana, VybzKartel is here. Where are you? We're outside, lady. We're outside.
Man, I saw you come on a World Boss program, man. There in Guyana, you see it? Our machine?
Yeah, we're there.
Yeah, man. Guyana, I think there. Sean Storm.
My general.
See my bro G there? I wanna feel like. Wait, hey. I have a match, so what them feel like?
Them not, I never know.
Hey, Mount Skull.
This no shot.
Jolie. I would that way over there, so bright light. What you mean? Daddy's there. What you mean? You mean? One Guyana, one GT. We're here. Where are you? Come out.
But here's the twist. The Guyanese Ethnic Relations Commission, ERC, stepped in with concerns about some of Kartel's lyrics, especially the song Good Like Jesus. They're calling it offensive, and they want it banned from the radio and streaming platforms. Now promoters are being warned. Don't let Kartel perform certain songs unless rules are followed. But the organizers say, how are we supposed to control what Kartel sings if the ERC never give clear guidelines? Let's be honest now. Do you think Kartel is going to clean up his lyrics for this show? Or will he keep it raw like always? What's your take? Should artists change their lyrics for international shows? Or is that censorship? Let me know. And just when you think he'd slow down, Kartel levels up again. His London show at the O2 Arena sold out so fast they had to add a second night. First date is September 4th, and now there's a second show added for September 5th. That's not normal for dancehall. That's a global pull. Now let's fact-check something real quick. Spraga Benz posted a photo with Ja Cure, and suddenly everybody saying Cure got released. But the truth? Nope. Ja Cure is still in custody in the Netherlands, waiting on his appeal hearing, set for June 18th, 2025. His team confirmed it. So let's not spread false info. Let's always verify before we amplify. Don't believe every post you see. Now over to Beenie Man, because the rumors were wild this week. People started saying his New York show at UBS Arena got canceled, but Foota Hype stepped in and cleared it up. Yes, the Virginia show got postponed, but the New York UBS Arena show, still on. Foota went as far as to say, "You can't call yourself a real champion if you cheat to win." Sound like him calling out bad mind people trying to mess up Beanie's momentum. Beenie also responded, saying he's focused on unity and not letting the negativity pull him down. And guess who showed up to support him? Bounty Killer, Shaggy, Popcorn, and even Kartel reposted the flyer. That's rare support in dancehall. Big moment. Do you think people are really trying to sabotage Beanie's success? Or is this just regular competition?
You see, in our life, you can't be a true champion if you have to cheat for win. See? Let me repeat that. In our life, you cannot be a true champion if you cheat for win. If you are going to cheat and scheme and do be a foolishness to say you're the champion, life I go show you up. You see me? Life I go show you up. You get me? Miss Chin, big up yourself. Listen to me. Wanna stop tell lie about Beenie Man New York show cancel. But what bad mind the people? Why when that spread false narrative say Beenie Man New York show cancel? Me get more than 50 calls from morning. Media houses are asking me, people, which part you see that? Where you see Beenie Man New York show cancel? Stop them fuck with the beat. Two bumbo clock bad mind. What I'm doing, man? Want to get out of bad mind? Me I try to understand. Want to get out of bad mind? Enough there for everybody. Enough is here for everybody. Just so no want people to but I come at the show. Phone say the show, and Rama phone say the show. Stop them thing there, bro. Who want the whole argument about Beenie Man New York show cancel? Me not understand. You have to stop it, Reggie. You have to stop it. Stop that something there. That bad mind thing there, stop it, man. You have no reason for you to do that. The amount of vlog me see and the amount of people that message me and I call me, dog. You have to stop them thing there, bro. Stop them thing there, dog. Me not like that. And then them say me bad mind. What kind of dirty style that? Who don't want to spin narrative to say the man show cancel and I call people who buy them ticket. I tell them, oh, the show cancel, the show cancel, the show
In the
cancel.
gate area, Spirit guests traveling on flight 2399 to Baltimore. If you're traveling with a car seat, stroller, walker, or personal wheelchair,
Me not care about no bomb buckler gift. Me not have to go over TikTok for no gift. See me gift here, travel and play music. Me a star, me not have to go over TikTok or beg nothing. Me good over here, so. A bookings pay my bills. Not internet, not social media. Me not have to go over nowhere. TikTok are one big Batim and Demon place. Me not business boy over here. Zine, listen what me I say, man. Stop with the bad mind thing. If you don't like Beenie Man, or if you don't into Beenie Man as an artist, if you don't feel like Beenie and the king of, yeah, voice your opinion and everything, but don't try spread false narrative and I try to deter people from going to show Bridging. Why you not do that? Why not go out on a way if you do that? Dirty and corrupt and bad mind, dog. And then you say, me a father corruption? Eh?
That I dislike VybzKartel. I dislike VybzKartel from your police and their Gregor Park. Everybody knows. Kartel write me from in a prison. A dog me up. Because me hate Kartel. One thing with me, when me have something against you, I no secret. I didn't know that when you use people video and performing night, I promote them videos. I didn't know that. But you see right now, Kartel are my dupes. Me love Kartel right now. Next to how me love. That's how me love Kartel. Kartel do that video here with his mother and put that song in it. That when he was growing up, he was poor. And asked his mother how him not have certain things. And him promised his mother that when him get big, him a go fix it. And I am to do this video 3 days now since I saw it. And each time I'm too emotional to do the video. Kartel say, Mama, when me get big, me I go fix your poverty. And for those of you who are prophesy and see Kartel I go down, we send back that to the pit of hell because Kartel shall live. A lot of you have curse and damnation because you don't have no space in your life for your parents who sacrificed their whole life for you. Your parents who give up their happiness, who eat the source of food so you could get meat, who spend sleepless night so that you could have an education to teach you. You don't have no room in our busy schedule for your parents. No, you don't have no room. So your life entails on your spouse, on your precious children, on your siblings, on your friends, on your neighbors. But you don't hate your parents who sacrifice for you. A lot of you have curse and damnation for yourself. And you know what, it may look like you know prosper, but you know will never amount to nothing because the blessing you want to seek on your parents it depends. Nothing you do will make you happy until you go back a grassroots and go and love on your parents and cherish on your parents for the sacrifice that they make you know. And a lot of me ever come chat this about my parents who abandoned me. When I search and find my mother at 21 years old, me go search and find her. I realized that she live in a rent house and me throw a partner and give my mother to help put on a little one room on her mother's house. And since me sick, me stop support my mother monthly. Every month that God Almighty send, my mother who abandoned me get her food money every month that God send. And the only reason, as soon as me get back on my foot, I will ensure that my mother is fed. Despite she hate me, she never thank me yet, them never appreciate me yet, I still do the best that I can. Kartel, anywhere Kartel I go, Kartel, there is room for Kartel's mother. Kartel, big up yourself. Kartel, salute his mother. So Kartel, adore his children. And Kartel is a family man. So if you want an example of what second chance and blessing is, you look how Kartel take care of his mother. You run up and down from church and look pastor to pray for you. You don't need no pastor to pray for you. The blessing you need in our parents. You're not too busy to go look for no parents who sick. You never call on no sick parents one day yet and find out how them doing if them living or them dead. You know if you buy too much plane ticket or take too much cruise, so you can't afford to ensure so no matter get a one night dinner. But a curse is on you know see no parents heartbreak. You know go and live to regret it. Mark it down 10. It may look like you know prosper, but you don't know how far to go. You will never achieve much out of this life because you know something? You ungrateful to your parents. You ungrateful to your parents. A lot of your parents don't deserve nothing neither, you know. Because you have no children and forsake them. So a lot of you don't deserve anything neither, you know. Because you never know if your children living or not dead. So a lot of your parents get what you deserve. But I hope a lot of children can find it in them heart to forgive you now. But a lot of ungrateful parents, a curse is on you that will never, a curse is on you that you will never get rid of. Because you neglect your parents who sacrifice for you.
Take that. Crown VybzKartel King of Dancehall at some fest this year. Yeah, man. The feel say, them are going to crown VybzKartel now. Listen to how I see things look, how things are going and how things are moving. I have a feeling say them are going to crown VybzKartel King of Dancehall at some fest this year in 2025 yeah. Me can't wrong to you know. But normally when we have them feelings yeah, most of the time it's always right. Don't be surprised if you see it happen. Yeah, maybe enough of the them have the same feelings too. Yeah, enough of them could have the same feelings like I. Yeah, but I attack it, say. I feel, say, them are going to crown VybzKartel at some fest this year. King of Dancehall. Watch and see. Shocking.
So the artists them go out with them fuckery, I don't ramp about them out. So it's when them do the good things them, me I go applaud them. Beenie Man, I respect what you do. I respect what you do because you acknowledge VybzKartel and Killer and the others them because them post your concert and you acknowledge them. I respect that. I look for the power of VybzKartel. VybzKartel cause a ripple effect. Shaggy post it. Even Popcorn post it. This we are talking about in a dancehall. I love that unity here. And guess what? You see people who are celebrating one of Beenie Man show cancel. Who not like dancehall. Because when Beenie Man show cancel, the man's man them, they have a family to eat, them not gonna make no money. The people them tour with them, not gonna make no money. The selector them will go work, not gonna make no money. And guess what? Dancehall not gonna make no money. So don't celebrate them thing there. Beenie Man, big up yourself. VybzKartel, yeah, do it me down. Remember say I miss me a Gaza, you know. I remember say enough time, I don't see man see me on the internet. When Kartel go on with things, I'm not for going with me talk and talk out. But me not this addy. Because me is a Gaza. And you alkaline. Me tell you if you come out, come do interview. And you come out, come do the interview. But me know the next move what you do. But me not come talk it. Dancehall unite. And you see no young artists now, we come on like you never want to come do no interview. And you buy some look old markets and crown hype and people. No fun not go nowhere. Because you not no style. I own me a bun. The young artists them too. We come sing the one bag of dunceness. You know see what I do? I'm glad Kartel come a road. Because Kartel come a road and come show the intelligence. And honor to do things. And change the game. Fully Gaza.
Why have to say no? Well, one Kevin have to say no. See, particular post Beenie Man show for USB reader, this start the answer to go support because of one dancehall, one Jamaica, one culture, and VybzKartel repost it. You know shame? You must shame like a dog, you know. You soon have nothing to say on the internet. Because I tell us the VybzKartel and Beenie Man don't have nothing, and them go link up on that time and you go like a lie me I tell, and do they chat off your mouth and I say one bag of something, and like you fight against unity in a dancehall. What you have to say now? What you have to say? Me never see you come out and say, yo, them a do it for culture. Buju do it already, Alkaline do it, Kartel do it now, Beenie Man do it, and Bunty do it in July. Me never hear say that yet. I fight against unity. Now Kartel buy one G-Wagon and post it. Must see yesterday and now, and Beenie Man must see buy a G-Wagon to and post it today, or whatever. Me know it, me aware for you say Beenie Man and follow VybzKartel do everything in the because the Kartel buy G-Wagon and Beenie Man buy G-Wagon too and whatever. But remember say when Beenie Man buy G-Wagon, it have a ship come to Jamaica because in America, G-Wagon they are Jamaica, I don't know. That means say no come in one day, say if Kartel post him yesterday and Beenie Man post him today. It does happen to know say boy, the two of them post near. So you go say Beenie Man follow Kartel, but nothing is wrong. If Beenie Man follow Kartel, like I remember say when Bunty and Kartel it fall out at that time, Kartel also follow Beenie. So nothing is wrong if Beenie even follow Kartel now, because I told them a two dancehall legend and two dancehall giant. But you're not selector, you're not artist, and because we don't see you on the flyer, so we don't know you all now. So what you have to say? See the unity you going now? I'm out.
And him son them kick off. Me can't understand this. Your father there in jail for 13 years. The man come out, the man fly to come America. Uno there with the man, I give the man pay trouble. The man just kick out him son them and put them over one new house across the street from him house. So now him say uno stay over there so from now on and don't come over my house. The man have a big house for him and see them and one big house for them. Because the man give me a trouble. So right now, the man gone 2 house. 13 years in a jail. 2 house. 11 more to go. None of them see it? Yes, VybzKartel buy a house across from him house and kick out him son them and put them across the water. Them over there, look. Daddy, him say go fishing. Yeah, wanna go up on the boat. Wanna go and go walk on the boardwalk. I will be there next week. Them have helper over there and everything. Them get too much blasted trouble. When a big man now, wanna fi stop get Kartel trouble. Don't give him no trouble. That's why him buy a next house and put on across the street. The man have camera set up on film house, zoom in, and he can see everything that is going on over there. How much man who no know of Pitney where I treat them so good? Kartel I do everything for him youth them. He might make sure say the youth them level up. You know, say Kartel youth them have never been the youth them without gold spoon in their mouth. Before them youth them born, Kartel a rich man, you know. Kartel Pitney them grow rich. Yeah. Una always high class Pitney. That's why I don't give so much.